Hey babe, they're saying to unplug the modem.
Okay, one sec.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm trying to find it. What?
I'm so sorry. Just hold on one second. Is everything all right?
I'm trying to untangle it. One sec.
I don't know what he's doing back there.
Yeah, there's a lot of knots. One sec.
What are you doing?
Let's keep it clean, keep it clean. There's a tank down. 2 points.
Hold on one second.
Got it!
Finally! Okay, we did. Oh. He actually meant to say to unplug the router instead.